Hello, my name is Margarita Rodriguez, and I'd like to share my experience in the Osho Center. And I attended a seminar with Vasu and for Tantric Woman, and it was really amazing experience. Uh, we the space that she created during this time, it was so powerful, and I was able to get deep inside of my own issues, and she was able to make me aware of some of the trauma, some of the problems that I was carrying without really knowing, and it was very powerful. I'm really thankful and grateful for the experience, and to be able to have this and be able to take it with me into my daily normal life. And well, I just want to say thank you for everything.